Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last video, I showed you how to sort and filter data using order by, top n and distinct clauses. If you are interested in learning that, then you can check the video link available in the description of this video, or you can visit my YouTube page where I have SQL and Power BI video series and you can learn from there. In this video, I will show you how to use the predicates with where clause to filter the data. So let's get started. But before that, if you are first time here and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button as I upload SQL and Power BI videos regularly on this channel. Now let's get started. So what is the predicates? So predicates are the conditions which we use with the where clause. So the where clause is made up of one or more search conditions, each of which must evaluate to true or false or unknown for each row of the table. Now rows will only be returned when the where clause evaluates as true. The individual conditions act as a filter on the data and are referred to as predicates. So each predicate includes a condition that is being tested using basic comparison operators like is equal to, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than equal to. So let's understand by examples. So I'm going to open the SQL Server Management Studio and I will show you there. Let's get started. So here I am in SQL Server Management Studio. Now I'm going to use this dim promotion table for this video. So let's get started with new query. And now I'm going to show you the all columns in the table. So select star from dim promotion table and let's execute it. So this table has 16 rows and this many columns, but we are going to use only couple of columns from this. Let me show you all rows. So I'm going to use a promotion key column, then the promotion name, and then this discount, and let's use mean quantity and max quantity. So let's start from the promotion key, and then English product name, English promotion name, and then discount, and then mean quantity and max quantity. Okay, so this 4-5 columns. Now this English promotion name is a bit long name, so I'm going to use alias here. So alias will be promotion name, so I will say prom name. And let's execute again. So now we have small table with the 5 columns and 16 rows. So let's first use some condition using operator. So I'm going to use where my promotion key is equal to 2 and let's execute it. So it filter only one row because 16 promotion keys we have, and so we got only one record here. Now if I say let me see the discount column. So let's say if I say discount, if my discount is less than 0.5, then what are my filtered rows? So let's execute it. And you can see out of 16 rows, 14 records. And 2 records are greater than or equal to 0.5. So let's confirm that by using a greater than here and let's execute it. but we don't have any records. In that case, let's use is equal to. So, and let's execute. So we have a 0.5 discount with 2 records. So these 2 and then less than 0.5 are 14 records, which are total 16 records. So this way you can use operators to filter your data. Now let's use multiple conditions together. So I'm going to use one of these conditions, so less than 0.5. So we have 14 records here. And I'm saying that if I wanted to add something else here, then I'm going to use and then let's see, my promotion key also should be greater than 5. So let's do that. So now you can see that you can use the 2 conditions together by using and you can filter your data. So multiple predicates can be combined with the and or operators and with parentheses. So however, SQL Server will only process 2 conditions at a time. All conditions must be true when connecting multiple conditions with AND operator, which we did just now. When using OR operator to connect 2 conditions, one or both may be true for the results. So we used AND. Let me show you now how to use OR operator. Also, I would like to mention here that AND operators are processed before OR operators when you use both, unless parentheses are used. So you need to use a parenthesis here if you use and OR together. The best practice, use the parenthesis when using more than 2 predicates. So let's use now this time OR operator with the AND operator. So to use OR, I'm just going to put it my AND operator in the second line, and I'm going to use my OR operator here with discount percentage. So as I mentioned that when we use OR, we need to use a parenthesis. So let's start with parenthesis, that discount percentage. So where my discount percentage is equal to 0.2 or discount percentage is equal to 0.35 and then close bracket. So what I'm saying here, that get me the rows with the discount percentage is equal to 0.2 or 0.35 and my promotion key should be greater than 5. Now let's execute it. So you can see that it filtered 4 rows which has a discount 0.2 or 3.5, and then my promotion key is greater than 5, so which is 6, 7, 12 and 14. So this way you can use multiple condition and operators together. But remember that whenever you use and or together, then at that time use brackets. Okay. Now you can also easily filter to allow or exclude the unknown or null values using is null or is not null in SQL. So let me show you that. So I'm going to remove all these conditions and I'm going to even comment a where clause to retrieve all rows in the table. So execute. Now again we have these 16 rows. Now let's put it condition here. So where, and I wanted to say that is not null for this max quantity. So let me see this max quantity is not null, and let's execute. So you can see that whatever is not null in the max quantity, which is 4 rows, it shows that. Now let's understand how we can use the comparison operators in, between and like, and we can reduce the code. So if you use an in operator instead of the multiple or operators, then you can reduce the code and you can have the same results. So I'm going to show you here. So let's make a different condition here. So where my promotion key, for example, is equal to 2, then or my promotion key is equal to 3, or my promotion key is equal to 4. And let's execute this. So we are saying that the promotion key should be 2, 3 or 4 only in my results. So let's execute. And we have a promotion key 2, 3 and 4 results now. So the same results you can get by using an in operator as well within one line of code. Let's see how to do that. So I'm going to remove these 2 lines, and my promotion key I'm going to use in operator then, and then I have to use a bracket. So in bracket my promotion key is 2, then comma 3, and then comma 4. So I'm saying that give me a results of only promotion key 2, 3 and 4, and let's execute. So the same results we are getting with less code. Now similarly you can use the between operator as well. So let's understand that. So for that I'm going to use a discount percentage. So discount percentage is greater than and equal to 0.2, and the discount percentage is equal to or less than and equal to 0.5. So what we are saying that what give me a results with the discount percentage between 0.2 and 0.5. Let's execute it. So we have now here 8 rows, and my discount percentage is between 0.2 and 0.5. How you can use the between operator here is, let's remove this, and my discount percentage and then between 0.2 and 0.5, and let's execute. So you can see we are getting the same results with between operator as well. Now let's understand how we can use the like operator. So the like comparison operator can only be used for the character data and allows us to use a wildcard character and regular expression patterns. So wildcards allow us to specify partial strings. For example, you can use the query, like in our case we have mountain bikes, so we can use that. So let me show you how we can use that. So let's use a like operator. So I'm going to remove this, and then my English promotion name like mountain. We have a couple of names start with the mountain, so I'm going to use that. So in a single quote starts with mountain, and then I'm going to use a percentage sign to wildcard it. And so we have a 3 product name starts with the mountain, and we have these 3 results. Now I wanted to filter only this and this rows. In that case I can also use a like operator like this. So mountain, and then those 2 have a dash and then 3 numbers. So I'm going to use like this, mountain dash and then 3 numbers in a square bracket, 1, 2 and 3, and in bracket I'm going to use 0 dash 9. So any number between 0 to 9, 0 dash 9 and then 0 dash 9 like this, and then percentage, meaning this row will not retrieve with this code. This code will only get a string starts with the mountain, then dash and then 3 numbers, which is first line and the third line. So let's execute this. and you can see that we have this both lines here. So like this, you can use a like operator many different ways. So guys, this is all about predicates and how you can use them with the where clause to retrieve your desired data. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.